If you are going to build some muscles, just going to the gym and doing routine workout is not going to be enough. You must take some nutrients on the way to fulfill the increased demand of energy and proteins. So, your diet is very important as much as the exercise for building muscles. Here are best 10 foods for that muscle gain. You are watching MedCentral. Before we proceed, please subscribe and hit the bell icon to get notified when new video is uploaded. Eggs contain high-quality protein, healthy fat, and other nutrients such as B vitamins. Egg protein contains leucine, which is needed for muscle gain. A boiled or poached egg contains 6.28 grams of protein. Salmon contains high number of proteins, omega-3 fatty acids, and several important B vitamins. A 227-gram salmon steak contains 58.5 grams of protein. Chickens. They contain high amount of proteins, about 26.7 grams per serving. They consist of niacin and B6. Also, higher protein levels help in fat loss. A medium chicken breast without skin weighing 120 grams contains 35.5 grams of protein. Greek yogurt contains fast-digesting whey proteins and slow-digesting casein protein. Greek yogurts contain double the amount of proteins than in normal yogurt. 5 ounces of Greek yogurt contains 12 to 18 grams of protein. Tuna has high amount of proteins as well as high amounts of vitamin A and B vitamins, including B12, niacin and B6. Also contain large amount of omega-3 fatty acids. Tuna contains 7 grams of protein per ounce. Lean beef packed with high-quality protein, B vitamins, minerals, and creatine. Consumption of lean red meat can increase the muscle gain. Lean beef contains just over 23 grams of protein per 4 ounces. Shrimp. While being a pure source of protein, they also contain healthy fats and carbs. Shrimp contain high amount of amino acid leucine. Turkey. Good source of high-quality proteins and vitamin B niacin, which helps to metabolize carbs and fats in the body. A cup of chopped turkey contains 37.23 grams of protein, while a turkey drumstick contains nearly 27 grams of protein. Chickpeas and peanuts. Chickpeas contain proteins, carbs, and fibers, although the quality of the protein is less than animal source but deserve a space in your diet. Canned chickpeas contain 14.6 grams of protein per cup. Ground chickpeas has 7 grams of protein per 1/3 of a cup. Peanuts, on the other hand, contain a mixture of proteins, carbs, and fat. They have the highest amount of leucine than other plant products. It is a good source of calories and nutrients, which is essential for muscle gain. 1 cup of peanuts contains nearly 41 grams of protein. 2 tablespoons of peanut butter contain 7 grams of protein. Milk provides a mix of proteins, carbs, and fats. Milk contain both slow-digesting and slow-digesting proteins. People can increase muscle mass when they drink in combination with weight training. Skimmed or 1% fat milk contains 8 grams of protein per 8 ounces, and high-protein milk contains 13 grams of protein per 8 ounces. Try out these foods as a part of your diet to get more and more proteins. More proteins with regular exercise mean muscle gaining. So happy training, guys! That's it for the video. Please subscribe to the channel and check out my other videos as well. Thank you. Goodbye until next time.
Artificial love, we just make it up.